Hey guys, what's up? This is BaigBuilds, Fahad over here, and as you all know, in episode 1, we set up your free Systeme.io account, and now let's do something real. Let's set up the sales funnel that actually captures lead and sell your product. I promise no coding, no tech headaches, just drag and drop and publish. And yes, my free checklist is still available. It has all these steps, and the link is in the description. So a sales funnel is just a path, or you can call it a road to your business. Someone clicks the link, sees a page, enters their contact information, buys your product, and sees a thank you page. So 3 pages. The number 1 is opt-in, number 2 is sales page, and number 3 is thank you page. So Systeme.io gives you the templates, and we're going to be using the sales funnel template for this video. Log into your Systeme account, click funnels, create, select sales funnel. So you can name it whatever you feel comfortable with. I'm just going to go with my first funnel. Click create. Now you'll see 3 steps. Number 1, opt-in page. Number 2, sales page. And number 3 is a thank you page. Click into opt-in page editor. And this is where someone gives you their email address or their contact in exchange for a product or a service that you're selling. You know, it could be anything. So you decide what product you want to pitch, and then you can change the headline to something, get my free demo or get my free checklist or whatever the product is. Then you just add a button that says send me the demo, send me the checklist. Connect it to your email automation. We gave it a review in the episode 1, so we'll cover it in the next episode most definitely. And yeah, this is how you actually set up your sales funnel. Now let's move on to the sales page editor. Now this is where you sell your product or service. It could be an ebook, a template, a coaching call. You start with a bold headline, something that solves a problem or something that resonates with your audience. Once that's done, you can add bullet points and make sure to add benefits, but not emphasizing more on features, because you're solving a problem, you're not selling anything. So just my mentality. Then a big button that says buy now or subscribe now, whatever works for your product. Then make sure your product is already created in the products tab. Then just link the button to that product. We already did a review in the episode 1, how to create that product. If you haven't seen it, feel free to watch the first episode. You'll get clarity over that. And that's how you add the sales page, edit the opt-in and sales page, and connect a product. Now let's take a look at the thank you page. So you switch to the thank you page editor. After someone buys it, they land here. This is the final destination for your visitor. You can thank them, give them access to what they bought, like a download link, maybe a video or a checklist or a document, whatever your product is. Systeme.io can auto-deliver digital products, which is definitely one of the best part for Systeme.io. And that's how you set up your digital product. Now, once you're satisfied with all the pages, your funnel, just click publish in the funnel builder. Once you're happy with it, hit publish. Systeme.io gives you a link that's your funnel URL. Share it anywhere. It could be Instagram, Facebook, email, YouTube, wherever you interact with your audience. That's the way to go. And you can also add a custom domain later, but for now, the default link is completely fine. Let's go with that. So this is how my final funnel looks like. Always test, go through the whole process, opt in, buy with the test mode, see thank you page, and make sure everything works or nothing is broken. If something breaks, go back and edit. Once it's smooth, you're live. That's it. And that's how you build a sales funnel. Pretty simple, right? Easy. And a free account. So that's how you build a sales funnel in Systeme.io. Next time, the episode 3, I'll show you how to automate the automated email sequences so you never lose a lead, whether it's a sales funnel or even a website you develop in the Systeme.io. You can grab my free setup checklist below. Link is in the description. It has the funnel steps written out. And also subscribe so you don't miss the episode 3. Let's build something better. See you in the next one.